Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I've got this matte screen protector from buyatac. Thank you buyatac for sending me the screen protector to test out and ultimately show you guys what we get with this screen protector. So the screen protector is available for these iPhones, the iPhone 14, 13 and 15 series. It costs £24 and that's a pack of 2 of them, and then it's available for each model in that series. So 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 15 Plus and the 15, and you can choose either the gloss version or matte version. So let's see what we actually get with the box. We got a nice bit of text here on the side introducing the screen protectors. We get the installation frame to align the screen protector, 2 installation/cleaning kits and 2 tempered glass matte screen protectors. The cleaning kits have installation instructions on them, and then we get the dust stickers, cleaning cloth and a wet wipe. First we wipe down the screen with the wet wipe, dry that all up with the cloth, slap on the alignment frame, peel off the dust sticker and tap away to get rid of any bits of dust. Then place the screen protector and simply press in the middle and then watch it adhere. And push out any remaining bubbles and you're done. Straight away you'll notice the reduction in glare and that lovely matte look, and the best part is there's minimal rainbowing effect or graining effect on lighter backgrounds. With normal matte screen protectors you get all this grain, and I can barely notice it with this screen protector on. The fit and finish is bang on. You can see the dynamic island's got a clear cutout, so obviously not to interfere with any of the sensors of the camera. This is the screen naked with no screen protector. And then this is with matte screen protector on. I love it. I think it looks amazing. A side-by-side comparison there. And then a side-by-side comparison outside in a brighter environment with sunlight. And you can see the difference. The glare has been reduced significantly. So as these are tempered glass screen protectors, we'll be checking out how durable they are. So I'll go ahead and torture these things now. So I'm going to start off with some coins, and I'm applying some reasonable pressure on here. Wipe that down, absolutely nothing. Please ignore the scratches, what looks like scratches on the sides of the phone. That's actually my screen. Next we'll try something with a bit more of an edge. So I've got these keys here, and again no scratches. And you get the best of both worlds with a 9H tempered glass screen protector and all the protection that brings, paired with a lovely matte finish, so you simply can't go wrong. See, the thing is, I've been a huge fan of matte screen protectors. I've consistently wrestled with the compromise that they bring though, so you always end up sacrificing screen clarity and brightness for the matte finish that you want. This issue has always nagged me, so I end up taking the screen protectors off because of the reduction in those things. However, honestly, I can say with the buyatac matte screen protectors, this has been the only screen protector that I've had on my phone, and those compromises are hardly even there. Don't notice them. All I'm seeing is that nice anti-glare matte finish, and for me, I'm absolutely loving it. So they've done a really good job of executing that matte effect, and the fact that it's a tempered glass screen protector as well makes it even better. So you get that protection you would get from a tempered glass screen protector along with that matte finish. And pairing it with the buyatac case 3.0, which I done a review on, which is also a matte finish, you've got yourself a killer combination, giving your phone a nice clean crisp matte finish all around, and I am all for it. The matte effect is flawlessly executed, maintaining exceptional screen quality, particularly in indoor lighting. It looks so good with everything you view on the screen. The reduction in glare has also helped my eyes because of less strain, which you normally get with reflections, and obviously protecting them in that manner. Anyways, thank you for watching guys, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate a subscription to the channel. Take care guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.